We've made it. Final episode, season 8, 44 episodes in. Ever since the March the 17th, we've been doing daily live videos on Facebook. And I wanted to end with a bang. And we've got Mr. Matt Landau joining us. He is the founder of VRMB. Has been somebody that the audience has asked to get on for some time now. If you could go back now to that 21, 22-year-old self, and if you could sort of give that person that one bit of advice, seeing all the things that you know now, all the things that you've learned over the years, everything that you've done since then and achieved since then, if you could go back to that 21 and 22-year-old self and just give you that one bit of advice, what would that be?
I wasn't aware of this at the time, but I think I fell into really good timing and positioning, but follow the vacation rental path. In the early days, it was just getting started. Now, even despite the fact that it has blown up, it's still at the very, very nascent stages. We have more tools at our disposal right now than any entrepreneur in history. And whenever I see people complaining about these tools, oh, Airbnb did this, oh, this company did this, it's like, get over yourself. Use those tools to your best advantage. Know what you are getting yourself into.
How do you think Airbnb will look this time in 2021?
The message I've been preaching now for 5 years at conferences is one of listing site non-dependence. I don't use the word independence because we've seen that people actually need to use those listing sites in their marketing portfolio to propel themselves forward. That if you can carry an OTA booking into a repeat guest, all you need to do is begin filling up the calendar and you will have reached something of a sweet spot.